What's good, guys? My bike check. Start from the top. I got animal bar ends, Colt fans grips, We the People OD bars. Got a Colony official stem. Probably can't see it. And then I got stock forks, stock headset too. I got a Fit FAF tire with a stock hub and a Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones peg. I got a 2012 Mirraco Lincoln frame and a Cult Dak Seat with a stolen Themalite pivotal seat post, stock cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Over here, got a stock Sprocket and a Kmc yellow chain. And then in the back, got another Fit FAF tire and Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones peg and Alienation Stay Strong rim. Alienation. And then just a stock hub and no hub guard because my bike shop stole it. I don't know why. But yeah, that's it.